Hi guys, welcome to my channel Roy Eats Food. My name is Royston. Today I'm gonna be eating the wings and wraps from Burger King. This is all the food that I'm gonna be eating. They do not serve anything apart from this when it comes to wings and wraps. I have like total 10 regular wings, year 5 and year 5. I also have these boneless wings. There are like 6 in this box and 4 over here, total 10. And I also have their fiery chicken wrap. So in total I have like 20 wings and one wrap, and they come only with ketchup and no tissues. First up I have the fiery chicken wrap, and as you can see here, no synthetic colors, no artificial flavors is mentioned on the packaging. Quite a good packaging, good modern touch to it. And I'll just show you the wraps. The wraps actually didn't come with any paper or foil on it here. See, it's completely empty from inside. And these are the sizes, about 9 inches. Wraps are cooked pretty well. The outer shell is nice and soft, as you can see. And there are like 2 chicken strips in them. The chicken strips are cooked pretty well. They are crunchy from the outside and juicy inside. There are like onions, some spicy sauce, mayonnaise, and a lot of lettuce. This is the regular chicken wings, that is with the bones. I had done a challenge on this with 30 wings. You can check the video of it in the description. I don't know why they have changed the packaging. Otherwise they would have come in a bucket here. And these are all the 10 wings. Nice golden brown color to it. And it is very crunchy from the outside. The chicken is nice and white and very juicy from the inside. That shows that it is cooked well. And this is the boneless chicken wings. They come in such a packaging. Your chicken is bay, crispy crunch, and this is the back portion. And your crunchy is mentioned. You can pause and check it out if you wanna. The small box has like 4 pieces. These are the sizes of the chicken. Pretty small. And the big one has like 6. They are cooked pretty well. They have a good golden brown color to it. Nice and crunchy from the outside. And from the inside, see, they are cooked pretty well. Completely white in color. They are actually not wings. They are more of a giant popcorn or something. Yeah, so let's start the challenge. Since Burger King is fairly new in the Indian market, they are offering heavy discounts on all of their products in order to promote themselves. I won't recommend ordering it from their app, rather order it from Zomato or Swiggy, as the food is always delivered late. Also the payment processing is not great either. Talking about the taste, the wrap was cooked really well. The shell was very soft. Also the chicken and vegetables inside were very crunchy and flavorful. It tasted even better than the ones you get at McDonald's. I'll give it a solid 8 on 10 for the taste. I hope they sell more options as other restaurants do. The wings also tasted good as they were very crunchy from the outside and juicy inside. They literally match the quality that KFC offers. Also, they were not very oily. If your spice tolerance is low, be wary of it as they were on the spicy side. I would have rated it higher, but because of the spiciness, I'll give it a solid 7.5 on 10. Overall, I'll definitely give the wings and wraps a thumbs up as they tasted good and were even priced right. Even though the food was not much, I was really struggling with the challenge as the wings were very spicy. My channel is available both in Hindi and English. The links are in the description. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Comment below any challenge ideas you want me to do, and I'll see you in the next one.